Alright, so sorry guys. One last very short video here. I will not go 15 minutes on this one. What I want you to do is just work through these problems. Uh, if you can figure out, I did a bad job on this one. Try to give me more detail than this if you can. Use the notes if you need to. Be a little more creative here. I was trying to rush, and if you give me this, I'll give you points for it. But I'd really like you to try to use your imagination. Okay. C is a mudstone, so it's muddy. E is a limestone at the bottom of the ocean. D is a beach, or at least I'm sorry, it's a sandstone, potentially beachy. I don't know. Arid desert, one of the two. Here's another type of siltstone or mudstone. You can go back and look and see what the different types of rocks are in our notes. This is basalt. So try to put up what happened. Okay, you're not going to do that on all of them. In fact, the second one, I just want you to label them youngest to oldest. Third one, here you're going to give me youngest to oldest, but then try to give me the geologic history. Look at the different types of rocks. Look at the clues here. This line with the stars will tell you something. Again, go back to the notes, which I've closed at this point. But go back and look at the notes at that slide with the key. Okay, you'll be able to see it there. Here, another one. This one, I don't ask you to give me the history, but this one's pretty complicated. Pay attention to the angles. Which one is oldest? Which one is youngest? Pay attention to what's on top of the other ones. These are earthquake fault lines. That's in the key. So if you see these, this is part of an earthquake. So you can see that D is shifted. Okay, D is broken in half. Again, here A, which is this limestone layer, is broken in half. So do your best. Okay. This one here, fairly complicated. All right, try to tell me what happened. And this one has a lot of layers. Okay, I understand that. Try to tell me what happened. Do your best. Just see if you can figure it out. It's like a puzzle. Treat this like a game. Treat this like a puzzle that you're trying to piece together the clues. Okay, it makes it more fun that way. And honestly, that's what you're doing. You're piecing together what you think happened. Okay, for this one, I'll go back up to the top. This one's fairly simple. You can see it's C, E, D, A, B. Okay, you'll just do that with all of these. Okay, this will be due. All right, I want this turned in to me. We'll say Sunday night at midnight. I'll put the due date as Sunday night at midnight. So I'll give you some time to work on it. You'll have the rest of class. I understand that you have a lot of videos to watch. My bad. You've already watched them at this point. But watch those videos. Do this assignment. This is due Sunday at midnight. If you have any problems, any questions at all, you can't get one of the videos to load. Hopefully you can get this one to load. You can't figure out one of the problems. I'll be around my phone. I'll be around my computer. I won't be checking it all the time, but I'll be around it. So I will check my email as often as I can, and I will reply to you. So if you have a question, just send me an email and ask. Okay? If you get stuck on something, skip it and move on. And since you're in person, if you have a question and I'm not getting back to you fast enough, ask someone around you and see if they can help you out. Okay? Yeah. Anyway, I am sorry that I'm not there today with you. I wish that I was there with you today. I'm very much looking forward to meeting you and getting to know you and being in person in this hybrid setting. And hopefully, in the near future, maybe we'll be in person full time. So that's my hope. And I look forward to seeing you. If you have any sort of questions, again, feel free to reach out to me. Ask your neighbors around you. Ask your sub. Do whatever you got to do to get this done. Okay. Have a great day. Good luck. You got this. And I will see you next week. Bye, guys.